Welcome to a tutorial on how to perform a focus pull on a Panasonic DVX200 4K camera. This technique can be performed on other cameras, but the setup may vary. Now firstly, this may sound obvious, but make sure your lens is open. Then we will set everything to manual to make sure you're in full control of the camera, and when you find the perfect shot, you can keep it. The auto/manual switch we will also be turning the gain down to make sure that the shot you set up will be unaffected by any noise. This can be altered as needed later. Then, we will switch the zoom from servo to manual. And finally, the focus from auto to manual. Next comes the important part, the three rings. The iris ring, which controls the F number on the display. The iris controls how shallow your focus will be. To make this simple, the lower the F number, the better your focus pull. The zoom ring, and finally the focus ring. To execute a focus pull, you will want to lower the F number. For these shots, I have it set to 4.5. Now, when you have your shot, turn the focus until your subject is blurred. Start recording and turn the focus ring again until the subject is crisp and the background is blurred. Congratulations, you've just performed a focus pull. Now, some useful information on focus pulls and how they are used in filming. Strictly speaking, a focus pull is literally where you adjust focus mid-shot. This is a very helpful technique to help direct the audience from one subject to another. It forces the audience's attention to whatever you have focused on. This can be a useful storytelling technique to make sure nothing goes over the audience's head. For example, if someone was being followed, the camera would be focused on the victim, and then when they have been established, it would focus on the pursuer. This technique also hides detail from the audience, making the reveal more shocking because they were on the screen the entire time. The focus pull can also be used to liven up a static shot that otherwise would be boring. By doing this, it splits a shot into two parts and makes a subject stand out and seem more interesting. So that's all I have to teach you about focus pulls. In this video, I have shown you how to perform a focus pull and given you a little information on how they can be effective. If you want to learn more about focus pulls, there is no better way than going out there and practicing with different techniques and experimenting for yourself. I hope I was of some help, and thank you for watching.